Hello everyone, welcome to another engineering tutorial. This tutorial will focus on annotating engineering PDF documents. Okay. We will be using Pdf-Xchange for this tutorial. Now, the program itself has these menus commonly found in all other PDF editors. So you have the file menu where you open, close, or save your documents. The home menu where all the most commonly used commands or icons are placed. Now these icons are also located in the other menus. We also have the view menu where you alter how you view the documents. The comments, this is the menu where we will focus the most because the comment section is where you annotate the documents, the PDF documents that you have. Okay, so you manipulate text, put on these geometrical images, stamp tool, and most importantly for us, the measuring tools. Okay, now these other menus we will not focus more on this one, and you can refer to other YouTube Pdf-Xchange tutorials, but in our tutorial here we will just focus on annotating engineering documents because that is more in line with the bulk of the work that we are doing in the engineering profession. Okay, now there are a lot of PDF editors out there, but there are reasons why I choose this editor. Okay, now one of the reasons, one of the most obvious reasons, it is because it is lightweight, so compared to, let's say, Bluebeam, which is a standard in engineering, and also Adobe Acrobat, you don't have to install a very large or a big file in your computer. This one you can just make it portable, and you can use it in USB stick like on the go, so you can just plug in your laptop and you can just start using it. The second reason is that almost all the basic features that you need is already in the program. So probably 70% of what you do using Bluebeam is already here. So you can just use this one, and it is very handy. So there are free versions of this one, trial versions, so you can just refer to the program's website for further details. Okay, but I put a link below so you can just start using it, the portable version. Now let me open some documents, engineering documents here, so that we can use it as an example. I'll be opening, say, a book, then a structural engineering report, which I did myself, and also an engineering drawing in PDF form. Okay. So for the home menu, we will discuss some icons here. So let's say you want to adjust how you view the document, so you can just go right here in the bottom right, and there are some icons there. So this one is looking at one page continuously. This one is looking at one page alone. Okay. This one is looking at two pages at the same time. This one is looking at 4 pages continuously. Okay, so there are icons there that will facilitate how you view documents also at the top. So this one is a slider. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so if the fonts are too small, so you can just zoom in. So here we have some fit page icons. So fit page automatically, fit width, so you can make it bigger. Then the original size 1:1. Okay, so you can just make it more bigger. Okay. Now you can rotate the page. So let's say you're reading a code and there are tables there that are rotated, so you can just rotate it accordingly. using the rotate buttons. If you want to search for text, so there's a search button there like in Microsoft Word. So you can just, let's search for the word engineering, the instances where it is used. So see, you can just move forward and all the instances of the word engineering will be highlighted. So you can use that pan. So if you have a very big view, so you can use the pan to move the documents. Okay. So if you want to highlight text, okay, highlight it and you right mouse click and say copy. So you can just copy that text and paste it in your word processing documents. So something like this. So you just copy and paste. You can also use a built-in screenshot, say snapshot. So just highlight a series of text. So it has a built-in screenshot program, but only used for documents opened inside this program. So you can just paste it here in your word processing. So there, okay. You can also use the thumbnail view. So on the left side, it will show you a thumbnail of each page. You can also use the attach. So you can attach files on it. So you can attach an image, or can you attach an ETABS file. So if you have a structural engineering document, you can attach those files online, included within the PDF document. Okay. So in the comment section, we'll just discuss a few icons here. So for example, typewriter, if you want to type a text like a word processor, so you can just use the typewriter and so if, for example, if you have a PDF form and you want to type in some data, so you can just use the typewriter. Text box is it creates a region like in Microsoft Word where you can put in some text. Okay. Now if you click on typewriter and you click format, before you type anything, you can adjust how the text will look like. So this one I want to make it black, so the document will not, the words that I type will now be in color black. Okay. If I click on that one, say I want to make a text box, but before I make a text box, I go to format first, format menu, so I can adjust those properties. Say I want it in black. Okay. Then before I type a text, I want to adjust the size and the fonts. Okay. So you can adjust it, make it bold, underline, italic. So it's like a mini word processing. The text box becomes like a mini word processing box. Okay. On the callout menus, which we will mostly use to point on something and make a text on it, let's say in drawing. So you can just click on callout and you click and you drag it, so it will create an image like this one where you can type text which has a pointer. So it's handy, it's very convenient. Okay. So if you click on callout, then you click on format, then you can adjust how it will look like before you actually make the callout. Okay. So this one I want it to be black. Then I want to adjust the text, the font size. So it's that easy. So if you want to annotate an engineering document and you want to point in some mistake, so you can highlight it and make a call out so they know where that text is pointing to. Okay. So if you're reading a book and you think something, a paragraph is very important, so you can just click on highlight, click on format, click on what you want it to look like, and you want make that default, like keep selected, and you can just highlight those things. You can zoom in. Okay. Similarly, you can also use the others like underline or strike out. Okay. So the trick is to click on the icon, then click on format, so you can define how it will look. Then you start doing highlighting or typing text and other stuff. Okay, so that's it. No, so I will continue on with the rest on the next video. Okay, thank you very much.